Hey guys! In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best manual tire changers available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is GoPlus Manual Tire Changer. If you have tires from 17.5 inches to 24 inches, buy this manual tire changer to have. The fact that it is manually operated means that it will save energy. This comes as a 3-piece tool, and as such, you can easily carry it in the trunk of your car. It is constructed with carbon steel, which is drop forged and has a powder-coated and glossy finish. This will be a great set to have as it will make your life easier, and it is made to last. This will work with most bias ply and radial tires, and as such, it is best suited for truck and bus tires. It is rust resistant and comes with versatile features. The bead will be protected by the nylon rollers on this tool, and this prevents damage to your tires. Highlighted features. Made of carbon steel, which is drop forged, hence it is strong and durable. Features effective nylon rollers that will protect the bead of your tires. Works on 17.5 inches to 24-inch tires. Demounts tires in a matter of seconds. Can be used for most bias ply and radial tires. The second product on our list is Rabiconda Motorcycle Tire Changer. This Rabiconda gives you an easier and quicker way to change your motorcycle tires. It has been tested by more than 80 top riders and factory teams across the planet and holds the world record for helping you change tires in as fast as 44 seconds. It comes with an ergonomic working height that eliminates those backaches or having to work on your knees, making your work easier. Its feet feature rubber padding for excellent grip on just any surface, making your work even easier. This tire changer is ideal for changing all motorcycle tires whose diameter ranges from 16 to 21 inches. The rigid and durable construction enables it to hold up to daily use and last longer than most of the competition. Because of its compact design and easy assembly, this is a highly portable tire changer that you can take with you to any place. The included hard-wearing Cordura 1000D carry bag promotes easy, convenient carry. Highlighted features. Ideal for tire sizes, 16 to 21 inches. Rigid, durable construction. Ergonomic working height, 20-inch, comes with tire lever tray for convenient storage. Lightweight and compact, highly portable. Lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. The third product on our list is Mophorn Manual Tire Spreader. This portable manual tire spreader is useful and quite efficient. There is an advantage in that it comes with a stand that is adjustable. The tire spreader will be useful for those with light trucks and cars. When repairing tires, use this tool to fix the spreading. The essence of this tool is to make the tire fixing process fast and easy. It has quite a wide platform, which will give you enough space, which is quite stable. There are 2 main components of the tool. It has a rack and a body, which can actually be used independently. It offers great convenience in that you will adjust the tool to fit the desired tire width. That's why this is the best manual tire changer for you. Highlighted features. Can accommodate 13.78 inches of tire width. There is a wide and stable work surface, which can be adjusted in different angles. The platform can swivel to 360 degrees. This tire spreader can be used on all tires for light trucks and vehicles. The fourth product on our list is Mophorn Tire Mount DMount Tool. Another product from a reputable manufacturer, Mophorn Tire Mount DMount Tool, is one of those tire changers that you'll love to have handy at all times. It's suitable for vehicles of various sizes and can change tires measuring between 17 and 24 inches. However, as opposed to changing tires alone, this product actually brings you the full package. It was built to provide inspection, buffing, patching, dust suctioning, and even cutting for tires, so you get much more bang for your buck with this choice. The tire changer is also fitted with a 360-degree swivel platform. With the ability to tilt up to 90 degrees, it makes it convenient for you to change tires from just about any angle. Its assembly is also simple to understand, so you should be set up and ready to move in a matter of minutes. You may also be interested in some of the best power inverters for cars, so take a moment to check them out. Key features: 360-degree swivel platform, tilts up to 90 degrees, convenient tool tray. Specification: brand Mophorn. The fifth product on our list is HTTMT portable tire changer. Change tires at a fraction of the cost. No expensive electric power hookups or pneumatic lines. Heavy steel construction for incredible durability. Handles all tires from 8 inches to 16 inches light truck, 7.5 inches by 16 inches and flotation tires up to size 12.5 L16. Changes tires on motorcycles which have a center hole of larger than 1/5 or a removable center hub. Includes bead breaker / tire iron / lever bar. Locking collar securely holds the wheel while mounting, dismounting tire. Base has 3 pre-drilled 1/2 inch holes for mounting. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.